Hi everyone! I hope that last video helped you start figuring out how to change written Persian into spoken. In this video, we're going to see a couple more common verbs and then some examples so you can see the differences more clearly. Let's get started. In this very first slide, Luna and Mina, who are friends now, are talking to each other, and you are going to look at this conversation after the video. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment for me. Let's look at the verb گفتن. As you see, in نوشتاری form, we say من میگویم، تو میگویی، او میگوید، ما میگوییم، شما میگویید، آنها میگویند. But in گفتاری form, we say من میگم، تو میگی، اون میگه، ما میگیم، شما میگین یا شما میگید، اونا میگن. Let's look at the example. سارا میگوید که میخواهد به خانه برود. We cannot remove سارا. میگوید becomes سارا is او. Is that right? So من میگم، تو میگی، اون میگه که we just remove it. میخواهد becomes yes میخواد به خانه برود. Do you remember what word do we eliminate? به خانه becomes خونه، برود becomes بره. آفرین. And then two words need to switch their places. سارا میگه میخواد بره خونه. Do you remember all of the details about how to change میخواهد به خانه برود? If not, go back to the first video and take a look at it. The second verb is خوردن. We write نوشتاری form. The written form is من میخورم، تو میخوری، او میخورد، ما میخوریم، شما میخورید، آنها میخورند. Do you remember the meaning of خوردن? To eat. And the گفتاری form is من میخورم the same as نوشتاری، تو میخوری the same, but او میخوره، اون میخوره، ما میخوریم the same, شما میخورید or میخورین، آنها میخورن. We say اونا میخورن. الان ناهار میخورید، بعد به کلاس میروید. الان ناهار میخورید، بعد به کلاس میروید. Do you know the meaning of this sentence? You can put it in a comment and I make sure that you know it. Let's look at the changes. الان, we have to keep it. It's the adjective, it's the adverb of time. We cannot remove it. ناهار doesn't change. میخورید, we can keep it like this or say میخوریم. بعد is an adverb of time. We cannot remove it. به کلاس می روید. I think that at this point you can say how they change and what to remove. می روید becomes میرید or میرین. کلاس doesn't change and به is removed. الان نهار میخورین، بعد میرین کلاس or الان نهار میخورید، بعد میرید کلاس. The only thing is that if you start with میخورین, keep the same way and use میرین. And if you start میخورید, continue with میرید. If you have any questions, put it in the comments and I will get back to you. See you next time. Bye-bye.